You can fix App Store payment method declined error on iPhone quickly once you clear out stale billing verification data. If your Apple ID declines your card, the system has flagged outdated details or cached security mismatches. Start by opening Settings, tapping your Apple ID name at the top, and opening Payment and Shipping to re-enter your billing address. Outdated zip codes frequently trigger security rejections from card issuers. If that first step does not clear the error, the issue usually stems deeper in stored verification data, which brings us to Method 2. Edit your listed payment cards, remove the declined card completely, and read it with updated security codes to refresh the token connection. If your transaction still fails, temporary system glitches might be blocking your media account authorization. Fix this third issue by opening the App Store, tapping your profile icon, scrolling to the bottom to sign out, and logging back in. Signing out wipes corrupted temporary tokens that block active payments. Finally, if network handshakes prevent bank authorization, navigate to General Settings, select Reset, and choose Reset Network Settings to clear bad configuration caches so your transactions process smoothly again.